This is your shift scheduler. All shifts are scheduled here. You can filter the shift scheduler by employee name and location, and the filters work together. You can also search the scheduler for employee name, location name, or service if service has been specified. You can change the scheduler to view by day, week, month, and so on. Let's stick with week for now. To add a new shift, double-click or tap anywhere unoccupied on the scheduler. You'll want to select an employee, a location. You can optionally select a service, but you don't have to. You can repeat the shift daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Let's add some notes, and we're going to confirm this shift with the employee. We'll see what that looks like here in a second. Here on our phone, you'll notice we have a new notification from the business app indicating that a shift approval has been requested. We can accept or reject it directly here, but let's click on it and go have a look at all of the approvals that we were requested for. Let's accept one and reject one and save our changes. Going back to the scheduler, you can see that our new shift has been added, and there's a yellow question mark indicating that we haven't yet responded to this shift. There are others that we have responded to. This is a list of shifts that are pending acceptance and haven't been responded to yet. To edit a shift, double-click anywhere in the shift, and you can make your changes here. You can also drag a shift, drag it to a different day, and even drag the time down and up in order to make your edits. Let's work on finalizing our schedule. Finalizing marks a schedule as read-only, and no edits can be made unless the finalization is revoked. If we go to finalize this schedule and confirm, we get a notification that we're encountering a validation error. It's that a schedule template slot is empty on Monday from 10 to 1. It's not covered. Here in our list of validations, we can see the only schedule validation we have is the schedule template validator. And our schedule template is set up like this. We need one person to perform a new service in the home office location, and one person to perform any service in the new location. Note that we have a holiday on the 27th, which is a Tuesday. As we go to validate our schedule for this week, the holiday means that we won't do any validation of items on Tuesday. However, Monday should be validated. Let's adjust this shift so that it will cover the one shift we have to cover. We needed the shift from 10 to 1. Note that the shift can go longer than the required slot, but at least has to cover it. Now we can finalize our schedule, and the schedule has been finalized. Note that the copy to link that we had discussed, we're going to discuss in a second, disappears because we can no longer make changes to this schedule. If we need to make changes, we need to revoke the finalization and provide a reason. All right. Now when we reload our schedule, we will be able to copy. We can examine the copy from functionality. We can't copy to this week because shifts have already been created. We can only copy to a blank week. Let's go to the next week, and we'll copy from the current week that we're editing right now. There's our copy. Last thing we want to discuss is the settings. We can group the scheduler by employee and location, as well as defaulting to all hours rather than business hours. Let's group by location to examine that. Now our shifts are grouped by location. You can edit the shifts by dragging them from one location into another, and the edit's made for you. And that's it.